Hi, I'm Scott Wozniak, CEO of Swaz Consulting, and I'm excited to share with you a little bit about our employee engagement engine. See, we believe that legendary brands build two engines, a customer experience engine and an employee engagement engine. I mean, at the end of the day, if you want to oversimplify this, right, you got to wow your customers, and you need to have fully engaged employees in order to do that. So how do you do that? What does that engine look like? Well, we're going to walk you through some of the tactics and tools. The good news is this: it's not about trying harder and spending 20 more hours a week working on this. It's not just do you care more. There are tactical things you can do. That's why we use this metaphor of an engine, a set of systems that roll together. And when you put it all in place, it creates this engagement. We're all in, we stay longer, we do the maximum. So some of those things you'll hear when we get into the engine are things like, how do you get employee insight? Do you really understand what's going on with your employees? And how do we create a fair deal? It's the foundation for this whole thing, that they feel like they're treated fair, the rules are clear. Then how do we create real community where there's a sense of connection and belonging? And ultimately, to supercharge this thing, we want to put a bigger purpose connected to our daily tasks. So they see that I'm not just doing work, I'm doing things that make the world a better place. And of course, as a belt wrapping around this whole thing, we like to talk about servant leaders. Leaders whose job is to make everyone else better at their job. When you put all this stuff together, you get the kind of environment where people not only do more, they enjoy their life more, and what do you know, your customers will tell the difference. It is a huge impact on your customer experience and what they say about you on your employee experience. So we're going to share more and it's going to be great, but I thought I'd share just a little bit of that with you as we get started.